What should you not do if you are in a motor vehicle accident? My name is David R. Price Jr. and I'm a personal injury trial lawyer in Greenville, South Carolina. I'd like to discuss with you some things you should avoid doing if you're in a motor vehicle accident. The first, and probably the most important thing you should never do if you're in a motor vehicle accident is leave the scene of the accident without notifying law enforcement and waiting for law enforcement to respond and issue you a report. If you leave the scene without notifying law enforcement, you cannot be certain that you've correctly identified the at-fault driver or that you're absolutely certain of which insurance company the at-fault driver has insurance with. It will also make it much more difficult for you to prove the circumstances of the accident if you need to down the road. The second thing you should avoid doing if you're in a motor vehicle accident is leaving the scene of the accident without taking photographs of both cars. Pictures tell 1,000 words, and if you do not take photographs of both cars at the scene of the accident, you cannot be certain that you'll get photographs of either car before repairs are made and the evidence of the damage to each car is gone. The third thing you should not do if you're in a motor vehicle accident in South Carolina is to delay seeking medical treatment. If you are injured in a motor vehicle accident, or if you think you may be injured, you should seek medical treatment as soon as possible. If you delay seeking medical treatment, particularly if you delay for a number of days or weeks, then you give the insurance company the ability to argue that you were not injured in the accident because you did not seek treatment, or that something occurred between the accident and the date you sought treatment that was the real cause of your injuries. For that reason, it's not advisable to delay seeking medical treatment if you're in a motor vehicle accident. The fourth thing you should never do if you're in an automobile accident is give an insurance adjuster a recorded statement or sign a release for your medical records. The insurance company will use your recorded statement against you if you're required to try your case a couple of years later and your memory or your testimony changes at all between the time that you give the recorded statement and the time you testify a number of years down the road. Your insurance company will also use the medical records release to go order all of your medical records even prior to the accident and attempt to find some situation that they can blame their injuries on besides the automobile accident. For this reason, you should not give an adjuster a recorded statement or sign any release of medical records before you've consulted with a knowledgeable car wreck lawyer. Finally, you should never settle your case too soon, before you've determined the extent of your injuries and you've finished treating so that you know the full amount of your medical bills. You should then consult with a knowledgeable lawyer who can help you value your case and help you settle for the amount you deserve. My name's David Price and I handle these kinds of cases every day. If you've been injured in a car wreck in South Carolina, then I want to help you. Please give me a call today at 864-271-2636 or visit my website at greenvillelegal.com.